Hello, future developers. So, welcome to the continuation of our web development course. So, I'm going to install Visual Studio Code. This is what we'll be using throughout the lesson. So, I'm going to double click this, okay. Then I'm going to accept the agreement, okay. So, I have Visual Code downloaded, and then I'm installing it, okay. So, you can browse to the desired location, but I'm going to leave it at this default place. And I'm going to click next. Okay, and then I'm going to check this one, and then I'll check the second one too. Okay, so click next again, and then click install. So we're going to wait for it to install. Okay. So one interesting thing about Visual Studio Code is very lightweight, and then it has extensions that can make you do a lot of stuff. Okay, so I'm going to click on finish just to launch Visual Studio Code, and then yeah. So I already have a project in Visual Studio Code, so that which is why you have this, okay. But you should have this first. So this should be your first interface just after installing Visual Studio Code, okay. So this should be your welcome screen, and then I'm going to click on extension here, and then I'm going to click on material or type material icon theme. Yeah, material icon themes. Let me see. I think my internet is connected. So here below the text field should be there should be some population of some extensions that can help you with your project. Okay. So as you see a material icon theme. Okay, so this is what I want. Okay. So when I click on it, where we have the uninstall, I can click it should be installed, but since I already have it, which is why I have uninstall. But if you scroll down, you should see the various icons for various programming languages from HTML, CSS, CUDA, database, Dart, Istanbul, Java, Django, Ionic, and the likes. Okay, so um, Visual Studio Code is very powerful. Okay, so very powerful text editor, and then this is what we'll be using throughout the lesson. So let me open a project so you see how it looks like this extensions. Okay, so you can see for my HTML, I have the icon of the HTML. Okay, and then I have the icon for the CSS. Okay, so thank you, and I'll see you in the next lesson.